Hello students! Do you want to save money on textbooks? I'm going to show you how to use PAWS self-service to find course sections that use either free or low-cost textbooks. Low-cost textbooks are $40 or less. So let's get started. First, please log in to PAWS self-service. Navigate away from this list of courses to Advanced Search. Select your term. Then select course type. Let's start with zero cost. Click Search. And here is a list of course sections that have adopted a zero-cost textbook. You can show all subjects here, and you can also click on the section to get the section number. See that logo? That means the course section uses a zero-cost textbook. So you know that Art, section 102/2015, uses a zero-cost textbook. Let's try this out with low-cost. Start over, select your term, select course type, click on Search, and now you have all the course sections that have adopted a textbook that is $40 or less. Remember to click on the section link to get the actual section number. And you can see here that course ADJ3 section 2238 uses a low-cost textbook that's $40 or less. If you have any questions about the search process, you can email me. I'm in charge of affordable textbook options. My name is Lisa Storm. I'm a faculty member in Administration of Justice and Business, and my email address is lstorm@hartnell.edu. Good luck with your studies.